What if I told you you don't have to wait until December for Spotify Wrapped? Yeah, I got tired of waiting 4 months just to be told that my top artist was still Kanye. So I said, screw it. I hacked my Spotify. Hi, I'm Desmond, and today I'm going to show you how I built my own real-time Spotify Wrapped, an app called Matchy, and trust me, Spotify does not want you seeing this data. Okay, look, Spotify gives you basic stats, top artists, recently played, maybe a playlist or two. Then once a year, they drop Wrapped and act like it's revolutionary. Meanwhile, I'm over here like, cool, thanks for telling me I listened to the same 5 songs on repeat for 8 months. But here's the thing, as a data nerd, I know there's way more hiding in that listening data. So, I built my own Wrapped, and it updates every single month. Here's how it works. First, you log in securely with Spotify. OAuth, so nothing shady. And boom, you're in. You don't just get stats, you get full control. Want new music? Matchy lets you generate playlists based on your recent tracks, all-time favorites, moods, and genres, and it dumps them straight into your Spotify account. And then there's the analytics page. Not just top artist Taylor Swift. I'm talking listening hours, track breakdowns, filters by month, skip patterns, even mood analysis. Basically, Spotify Wrapped, but on steroids. Now nerd talk. I built Matchy with React Native and Expo. It connects to Spotify's web API for your listening history. Then, I pull in extra data from Last.fm to give you deeper recommendations Spotify doesn't provide. All of that data runs through custom React hooks I built for listening pattern analysis, mood detection, genre classification, skip recognition. Yes, I know exactly when I rage skip Nickelback. Everything stays private too. Data is stored locally with Expo Secure Store, so none of your info leaves your device. Here's the bigger picture. Every app is collecting your data. Most give you the bare minimum back. With Matchy, you own your data and you get insights Spotify would never show you. The full source code is on GitHub, link below. Clone it, tweak it, and make your own music dashboard. And hey, if you want more projects where I reverse engineer popular apps and make them actually useful, hit subscribe. That's it for now. Desmond out.